Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video featuring HerGivenHair. And if you saw my last video with this unit, you would know how much I absolutely love it. Like, I've been wearing it like crazy. And honestly, out of the many times I've worn it, like, I never noticed my name in the center. I thought that was so cute, you guys. Like, it really do be the little things for me. I don't know. But anyways, make sure y'all look in the description box below for more info about the hair, along with a coupon code for up to $60 off your purchase. So yeah. So I'm starting off with my hair blown out to show you the 4 main hairstyles I wear throughout the week. The first one is just a regular headband style. And y'all, all I do is pull my hair back into a little bun, put the wig cap on, and then slap the wig on my head. And that is literally it. I feel like this hairstyle is just a classic, like, and it's so easy to do. Like, I had to do it. So this next hairstyle is a half up, half down look, and basically all I did for this hairstyle was part my hair off while also incorporating some of the wig hair into my hair to put in a ponytail, and that was literally it after fluffing it out a little bit, you know, doing all of that extra stuff. But y'all, this hairstyle took me like, I think maybe like 3 to 5 minutes to do. Like, it was so easy, and I'm all for the easy hairstyles. Like, as long as it looks cute and it's easy, like, I'm good. I'm good. This next look that I did honestly kind of surprised me. I didn't expect it to look as natural as it did, to be honest. But all I did was pull my hair in a bun and then secured the wig on my bun using this drawstring, wet the hair a little bit, and that was basically it. I thought this look was so like fun and just, you know, it just looks so cute. So I definitely enjoyed wearing this throughout the week, I would definitely say. Now this messy bun look I think was definitely one of my favorite out of all the others. I don't know, I think I'm just like, a sucker for messy buns. Like, it always just does me right. I feel like it always just like brings out my features, and I don't know, I am definitely a sucker for messy buns. Like, I love them so much, and this unit made the perfect messy bun look. Like, I absolutely loved it. But you guys, those are my 4 go-to hairstyles with this unit. Make sure you check the description box below for more info and for money off. Don't forget that part. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.